Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook login problem or confirm identity. To get started, you want to go ahead and navigate to your Play Store and you want to click on it, and then you want to go ahead and search for Facebook. You want to click here. Alright, so where you're seeing open button, if you're seeing update, you want to go ahead and click on that to update the app. Okay, that could be one of the main reasons why you're having that problem. Okay, all right, so that's just one of the ways. You want to stick with me so I can show you the other methods. All right, what you want to do is to locate Facebook on your mobile phone or iPhone, and you want to long press on the application just like so. You want to click on the app info, that's this I here, and once you get here you want to click on storage and cache. Okay, storage and cache. And once you get here, you're gonna see clear cache and clear storage. Okay, you want to go ahead and click on clear cache to clear the cache, and you also want to click on clear storage, and you want to hit OK to clear it. Okay, I don't want to clear the storage, I just want to show you how to do it. So I'm going to click on cancel and I'm going to go back. Another thing you can do is to check your internet connection to make sure your internet is working. You want to hit the airplane mode to kind of like refresh your internet setting, and you may also restart your phone. Okay, so those are the possible ways to fix this particular problem. Okay, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.